Welcome to another video of AC Fundamentals, and in this video we are going to discuss about sinusoidal response of RL and RC circuits. Okay, in the previous video we have already discussed about DC response, and today in this video we are going to discuss about sinusoidal response, and in the next video we are going to discuss about the MCQs, related MCQs. Fine, so let us start. Here sinusoidal response for this RL circuit will be like this. Okay, let us write the expression for I here. The I, your total current, it is in the series, R and L are in the series. So total current will be same as the current across inductor. Okay, fine. So let us take I as Im sin omega t. Okay, we are giving sinusoidal response. That's why I'm taking I as a sine function. Okay, Im sin omega t. So we know VR is I into R. That is R into Im sin omega t. Fine. And how much is the VL? VL is L di by dt. Okay, so we can find out the derivative of this function Im sin omega t. Okay, derivative of Im sin omega t divided by dt. How much we'll get here? Omega L cos omega t. Sorry, Im omega L Im cos omega t. That's it. Okay, so the derivative of Im sin omega t is omega Im cos omega t, and L is already there. So omega L Im cos omega t. This is the expression. Okay, and cos omega t can be written as sine omega t plus 90 degree. Okay, because in case of inductor, voltage leads current by 90 degree. Fine. So how much is the total voltage here? V equals to VR plus VL, that is equals to R Im sin omega t plus omega L Im sin omega t plus 90 degree. Okay, now for the solution part, again I'm going to write the solution directly. Okay, and for the descriptive part, for the detailed solution, I'll be giving you in a note. So let me write the solution part here. So just note it down. I'm going to erase it. Okay, I'm just leave this. So after finding the solution, I'll get theta as tan inverse omega L by R, and the Z part, impedance, I'll get as R square plus omega L whole square root over. Okay, if I'll write the complete current equation, that will be I equals to Vm by Z sine omega t minus phi, or you can write it as theta, not phi, or Bm by Z is this much, R square plus omega L whole square root over sine omega t minus theta is tan inverse omega L by R. Okay, so this is the sinusoidal response for RL circuit. Fine. Let us go to the another case, that is RC circuit, RC series circuit. So I'm directly writing the solutions here. Okay, for this RC series circuit, I will be getting Z equals to R minus J1 by omega C, or you can write it as R square plus 1 by omega C whole square. This is in the complex one, this is the solution, this is the magnitude, R square plus 1 by omega C whole square root over, and theta will be tan inverse 1 by omega RC. So again the complete equation can be written as V by Z sine omega t plus theta. Okay, because current is going to lead in case of RC circuit, and that's why I am taking omega t plus theta. In the previous case we have taken as omega t minus theta, because current lags in case of RL circuit. So for this RLC series circuit, similarly we can write it as Z equals to R square plus omega L minus omega C whole square root over, and theta is tan inverse omega L minus omega 1 by omega C by R. Again you can put these Z and theta values here. You can get the expression for I. Okay. And this is a sinusoidal response for RL and RC parallel circuits. Okay. Here also I am writing the expressions directly. Here you can get theta as tan inverse. Here one thing you need to remember, that whatever we were writing in case of RL and RC and RLC series circuits, here the terms will be reciprocal of that. Okay. If there is resistance, then we are going to take the reciprocal of that resistance 1 by R. Okay. So here, there it was omega L by R. Here it will be 1 by omega by 1 by R. So tan inverse R by omega L. Okay. There we were finding out the impedance. Here we will find out admittance. The reciprocal of impedance is admittance. So Y equals to reciprocal of R square plus reciprocal of omega L, or inductive reactance square, root over. Got it? Then put this equation because current is nothing but V into Y. Okay, so just put Y here, and in place of sine omega t, okay, in place of sine omega t, current will lead or lag, that will depend on the combination. Okay, so just put omega t plus theta. It will come, the theta, the value will come accordingly. If it will come as minus theta, then that means current is definitely lagging. If it is coming plus value plus theta, then current is leading. Fine. So I can write it as Y into Vm sin omega t plus theta, because V we have taken Vm sin omega t. Okay. In place of RC circuit, in case of RC circuit, theta is tan inverse 1 by omega C by 1 by R. So it was 1 by omega C in the series, RC series. Now it is the reciprocal of 1 by omega C, that is omega C, divided by, there it was R, here it is 1 by R. Okay, so tan inverse omega C by 1 by R, that is tan inverse omega RC. Fine. And for admittance, you can write it as 1 by R plus 1 by J omega C. So I am taking reciprocal of everything. Okay. You can 1 by r, you can take it as g plus jb. Okay. And for RLC parallel circuit, theta is tan inverse of omega c minus omega L 1 by omega L divided by 1 by R. And admittance equals to 1 by R whole square minus omega c minus 1 by omega L whole square root over. And all these theta and admittance value you will be putting in I equals to y Vm sin omega t plus theta. Fine. In case of series circuits also, we can write the expression in place of DC response also, we can write the expressions for the parallel circuits RL and RC like this. Okay, just by putting theta and admittance in this equation. Okay. So this much is the fundamentals of DC and sinusoidal response, and the rest of the things we are going to discuss during MCQs solving. Okay, so while we will be solving the MCQs, I'm going to tell how to solve or how to apply these equations of response, DC and sinusoidal response, in the MCQ questions. Okay, so just keep watching and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.